Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Stacy Gonzalez. I am a currently director of curriculum and instruction in Illinois for three large comprehensive high schools about 30 minutes south of Chicago. I am taking this class to complete my coursework in obtaining my superintendent's endorsement in Illinois. My doctorate is in instructional technology. So obviously, I have a master's in administration and a master's in English. So this is kind of that last step in the event that I would ever want to be a superintendent. Not ready for that yet, but maybe one day. My background supports this degree because, like I said, if I ever decided that that would be something I'd be interested in doing, I want to have that opportunity. And so far as my strengths and weaknesses, I would say school finance is probably the weakest area of my aptitude of what I really know about the district office as a whole. Obviously, I balance a budget. I've worked in a really large district where I had about a $2 million budget. But that being said, managing one budget or even a large budget is very different than the entire school district's budget and the laws and the pieces that go along with that. So looking forward to learning about that in this course. This is my last course in the program, and I think even in my role as a curriculum director, it's always important to me to be fiscally responsible, negotiate contracts with vendors for textbooks, software, things that fall underneath my purview. In addition, I think there are some things that I'd really like to learn and take away from this course. I'm looking forward to some of the interviews that I'll be able to have with the individuals in my district that are currently in the role of chief school business official. So, other information, I've got two kids. I've got one who will be leaving this in August to go to college. I have another one that is a freshman, and my husband is a physics teacher. So we've definitely got this school thing going, and right now it's extremely crazy. I also am the district oversight for summer school. So this week is just really trying to get everything together for us in Illinois here. So hope you guys are having a great day and looking forward to seeing you in class.